Time to go on your first run. On our way to PetSmart. Pick the dog up. Now. What are you doing?
What you mean?
Don't make her sit down there.
That's what it's for.
No, it's for when you're walking through the thing.
Oh, goodness gracious. See, this is what I wanted. Hello.
First PetSmart run. Good puppy food. What color you have?
White.
Oh, really? How old is it?
He's almost 2,
Oh.
but he's so big and chunky.
Oh, you got a
and-
chunky one, huh?
Oh yeah. And he snores like a human. Sometimes I'd be looking like, are you snoring or is the dog snoring?
She's 6 weeks.
But when they're teething, it's the craziest step ever. Careful with your doors and everything. They chew
Oh,
on
really?
everything, and their teeth are so powerful.
I know.
Yes,
I
we're
know.
finding that out.
Yep. My Frenchie bit off a whole door.
Oh,
And I'm like-
no,
Boy,
not the door.
but they're so
Another.
behave. Behave.
Oh, look at
Careful in
this.
this hot weather.
I know.
Right.
Mine is inside.
No, we keep ours inside too.
Yeah, mine is inside, tearing up the whole house.
Right. Like this. Thank you. Look at these.
Oh no. Oh. Yeah, that's cute. I like it. Really get it, get it. Let me get this.
Are you looking?
Well, I'm trying to film her at the same time. Food is that way. And it's
As
cute.
you can see, we got our fresh 6 week old. Oh, you are. Where are you trying to go, bro?
Yeah. No.
Look at this beef chicken turkey. Chicken turkey recipe. Look at that, bro. That's fire.
Okay. All right. Come here. Come here.
Let me eat some of this, bro. With eggs, cranberry, sweet potatoes, and green beans. We can eat some of this ourselves.
No, we can't. I'm showing you this.
You like this one?
Did you want the receipt to be emailed or written?
Email.
Mhm.
Like, I don't need to.
You're all set to go.
That's the whole thing. I'm like, I don't know.
Of course.
Okay, thank you. Have a good
I'm
one.
like, where did you go? Bye.
She didn't want to stay in there.
So cute. Enjoy that steak. And when they're bigger,
It's in her.
oh yeah, they're not gonna want to be in here. They're gonna want to be all over.
Right.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
It's just a toy for you?
Uh-huh. Oh, no.
Oh, because you look good. Do you happen to have a phone number with us?
No.
No problem. Do you want to sign up with us for that?
Yeah. 951-660-0262.
Can I get a first name for the account?
Laverne Jones.
Jones. What address you'd like to use?
We buy Mac stuff. MAC.
Let me see stuff. Is that Gmail?
Yeah.
Alright. We're all set to go. Is that a boy or a girl?
Girl.
How old is she?
6 weeks.
Oh my gosh.
She don't like being right here.
Yeah, 4107.
Oli.
Would you like these in the back?
Yeah.
Yeah. First day at the pet store is not fun for you, huh?
Alright, buddy,
Would you
thank
like
you.
the receipt for this
I
one?
don't need it.
Email or you got it? You're all set to go?
Thank you. Out we go. Camera.
This is her first car ride. She's getting used to the car. Well, this is her third car ride, but every time she rides in the car, she likes to cry. I don't know why, but I guess she's getting used to the car ride now. So she's gonna have a photo shoot today. So we gotta take her to get some background. We gotta get some background because of her color. She's camouflage. So we gotta go get a white background. So she is on her way and she's getting used to the car. And there she goes. I don't know why she cries. We don't know why she cries when she rides.
It's
You
scary.
gotta get used to
It's
the
a scary thing.
These are some of your first car rides. You're gonna be riding in the car all the time, so you might as well get used to it.